Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, RB2132 in color code 901/58. It's a black color frame. On the temples here we have a Ray-Ban writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. On the other side of the temple, we also have a Ray-Ban writing in silver. The lenses are a green polarized color. It has a Ray-Ban writing in white with NP for polarized. Also has a sticker that says polarized. The style of this frame is fashion Wayfarer. Up here we have a gift box, a case for your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.